Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off iCloud photos. So this is going to be for iOS devices, for your iPhone and iPad. First of all, click on settings right here. Then you're going to want to scroll down until you get to photos. Once you're there, click on that for the settings for the photos. Then you'll see at the top there it says iCloud photos. That'll be turned on for you. If you want to turn it off, just click it once. And then it will take a few seconds to say turning off, and then once that's finished you will know that the iCloud photos have been turned off. And if you're wondering how to deleting everything, if it deletes everything like your photos, etc., what it says is if you turn off iCloud photo stream on the device, photo stream and images in the stream folder are removed from the device, but not from iCloud. So when you turn off iCloud's photos, you have 30 days to download the photos on the iOS, the iCloud.com, things like that if you do want to. So do bear that in mind. That's going to answer your question for that. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the iPhone and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.